Good day, folks. This is Greg Judy at Green Pastures Farm. Just a beautiful summer evening here in May, and the cattle have been moved on to this paddock at Judy Farms. We actually did a cattle drive this morning. I just got through moving them in here just a minute ago, and man, look at that steer. So fatty and how they walk. All the cattle are really putting on weight. It's just unbelievable how quickly the hair coats are coming off of them. It just seemed like maybe less than 5 days ago they had some winter hair coat. That girl there, this is a first calf heifer. She's got a calf on her, and she's just slick as a button. But I wanted to give a plug tonight for the conference I'm going to be giving at Heifer Ranch, and that's going to be held at Perryville, Arkansas. And if you go to the Heifer International website, you can find out about it. But it's a 2-day workshop, and they actually have a 1-day and a 2-day pass available. There will be pasture walks each day and with some classroom instructional. And folks, we're going to be talking about regenerative livestock management techniques. And if you want, look at the, this is what it's all about. How do you get in the business, and how do you make a full-time living with herbivores on grass? That's what I'm going to be covering. There is a phone number you can reach for reservations, and it's going to probably fill up pretty quick, so you better get on the stick. The phone number there is 501-358-8050. This is Heifer International, folks. This is the group that's worldwide. They go around helping a lot of disadvantaged people. It's a great organization, and it's pretty exciting conference we're going to be giving down there. So hope to see you all there, and that's going to be held on June 15th and 16th, Perryville, Arkansas. Everyone, this is Greg Judy signing off. Have a great evening.